Epic Flows Production.
Epic Flows.
Yeah.
Hello, Dillian speaking. How may I assist you?
Things now work out with the wifey.
I'm sorry, what is that, sir?
My wifey had give me beer problems.
Hi, sir. What's your name, please?
Epic my name, mom. You can't help me with my wifey.
Mr. Epic, I'm so sorry to hear that. Unfortunately, we're not able to assist with such an issue. We can only...
Please, mom. Me and my wifey they are going good for over 3 years. And all of a sudden the wifey just stop work.
I'm so sorry to hear that, sir. Have you tried talking to her?
Mom, talk to the wifey. No.
Sometimes we neglect that a simple issue can be resolved with just a simple conversation.
Alright, mom. I go talk to the wifey.
Yes, Mr. Epic.
So, mom, the wife is supposed to answer me?
Your wife should respond to you.
No, me not have no wife, miss. And the other day, me catch me neighbor with the wifey, you know. And for that, can be a problem the wifey a give me. So how me can get a new wifey? Cause me need the internet, you know, mom.
You mean your Wi-Fi?
What is that?
It's epic out here.
Epic Flows Production.
Radical epic. Zin, Leash, Big Bad Boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!